students. For those of you who are coming from ECOT, I wanted to just take a few minutes to show you the similarities between the learning system that you'll be using at K12 and the learning system that you had at ECOT. I was an ECOT teacher. I was in my 9th school year at ECOT, and now I've been at OHVA for a little over a month now, and I wanted to help transition you from your old learning program to your new one and show you that it is very similar and you can accomplish a great number of things here as well. I want you to feel at home here. This is an awesome school, and I just wanted to show you some of the similarities of what is to be expected of you here and kind of correlate your mindset with that what you had in IQity. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's just take a moment when we're looking through the classroom. Something that's really great about the classrooms here at OHVA is that everything that you need is much more condensed. So instead of a left nav bar, you're going to see all of your content at the top of the classroom. So at ECOT you had, on the left-hand side, you had that folder that says Start Here, and then you had a folder with your live session information, and then you had a folder that started your content. And we had all of our content broken down by each unit and week at ECOT. And it's the same here, except instead of finding it on the left-hand side, you're just going to find it here at the top, okay? When you click, instead of calling them folders, they're going to be called modules. So when you click on a module, give it a minute, it's going to pop up. You're going to see pages that look a lot like what you saw at ECOT, okay? When you open it up, you're going to see the pages that you need to read. And then something that I really like here is at ECOT you had those little check marks of things that you had looked at, but you're going to see that progression of what you completed. So you'll know, okay, I didn't really read everything that I needed to read for my topic, and then you can go and look at the pages that you've missed. Okay, and you can access, once you've clicked those modules at the top on your home page, you can access all of your classwork right here on the left-hand side, just like you did at ECOT, okay? If you pop it down, you'll see all of your modules are broke down. So it's very similar. You'll have all of your stuff pop up right in front of you, just like you did at ECOT. The information you need is on the left-hand side, and that content's right here in the middle. Something that I really like about this program is that, let's let it load up. Gone are the days, or what is my grade in the class, or can you tell me what assignments I'm missing? Right here with this class progress, you're able to see who your teacher is, what your grade is in the class, and then how much you've read and what assignments are overdue. So I know at ECOT we had suggested due dates. At OHVA, there is a set due date. You have to get your work turned in on time. If it's not, you're going to have this little overdue red button pop up, okay? Something else that I think is wonderful, you can click this little button right here and email me, okay? You don't have to go to a whole bunch of different places to contact your teachers. You can just click that little button, and an email will pop up. Okay, it's taking a minute to load, so you get the idea. Another thing that is really nice, you remember how at ECOT you had to go into every single classroom and figure out what time your sessions were, and you were getting 1,000 emails wondering, when do I have class? This is so cool, and you're going to see this in every classroom. You'll see what classes are available for that day, but if you click right here, go to Class Connect, this is awesome. So you can have a weekly view all of your sessions for all of your classes, what time they start, the links to those classes are all in one place. So you don't have to sift through and try to find that information of when your classes start. It's going to pop up right here for you. Everything is one central location. So you don't have to try to find links, save links, figure out when classes are. This system's going to tell you when your sessions are, okay? And it'll tell you if they're required or optional. I'll give you a hint. All of your morning sessions are required, okay? Your teachers might hold extra sessions for you in the afternoon. So definitely make this a place that you check daily to see what classes you have, because your teachers are going to offer so much to you. Your class announcements used to be at the top of the screen when you entered. It's now right here in the middle. So make sure that you are reading your announcements just like you did in iQity. But something that's really cool about this is that if you click class announcements, you're going to be able to see all of your announcements. And on your homepage in the OLS system, all of your announcements for all of your classes will pop up. Okay? I think that is such a cool thing. So, to recap, I'm waiting for it to load up again. To access your content for your classes, instead of it being on the left-hand side, it's just like iQity, except it's at the top of the screen. To email your teachers, you can just click Contact a Teacher, or you can create a new message. And then you, again, just like iQity that told you how many messages were in your inbox, you'll see a number right here. In your classrooms, you'll be able to see what your grade is currently, how much of the pages you've read, and what assignments are overdue. You have your class plan with your calendar or when things are due, so you can adjust your schedule accordingly. And then you can access your live sessions, or as they're called here, your Class Connect sessions right here on the right hand side. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask your teacher. Thanks.